In this video, I'll show you how to stretch videos in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. From the main screen, tap New Project, then choose the video you want to edit. After selecting it, tap Add to place it on the timeline. Once your video is loaded, tap the video clip to select it. Now go to the preview screen and use two fingers to pinch outward if you want to make the video larger. This will zoom in and stretch the video to fill more of the frame. If your goal is to make the video fit a different screen size, tap Format from the bottom menu. Choose the aspect ratio you need, such as 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, 16:9 for YouTube, or 1:1 for a square video. After changing the format, your video may show black bars or empty space. To fix this, tap the clip and resize it on the preview screen until it fills the canvas. You can also drag the video to reposition it so the important part stays visible. If you want to stretch the video wider or taller without keeping the original shape, check whether your version of CapCut has options like transform, scale, or separate width and height controls. On some versions, you may be able to adjust the horizontal and vertical scale separately. If that option is not available, you can still create a stretched look by using canvas, background, or blur. This lets you fill the empty space without cutting off too much of the original video. For a more dramatic stretch effect, you can use keyframes. Move the playhead to the point where the stretch should begin, add a keyframe, then move forward and zoom in, or resize the video. CapCut will animate the stretch between those points. After adjusting the video, press play and preview the result. Make sure the subject is not distorted too much and that important details are still visible. Finally, tap Export in the top right corner, choose your preferred video quality, and save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.